Pleasure during sex is generally accompanied by a great orgasm. In order to obtain magnificent orgasms, it is necessary and indispensable to have more sperm so as to experience better sensations. Semenax offers exactly what you need, as it is the flagship of drugs in pill form that increase the quality and quantity of sperm. All of this with the aim of intensifying the sensations during orgasms. Not sure how well Semenax delivers on what the brand promises? With this Semenax reviews, we will help you understand why Semenax is the supplement you are looking for to increase your potency. Semenax, the best supplement to improve your potency and surprise your girl. Semenax consists of natural ingredients and has been tested by many people for a long time. The product has become known for its few side effects and its good performance-price ratio. According to the manufacturer, Leading Edge Health, Semenax allows its users to increase sexual desire in men, increase sperm volume, stimulate sexual performance and intensity of orgasms, increase the pleasure felt during sexual encounters. And it basically aims to provide solutions to men who face any type of sexual problem, such as premature ejaculation, erectile dysfunction, low sexual stamina, among others. Why is Semenax so efficient? Semenax is produced from natural ingredients such as maca, L-arginine, etc. These ingredients are found in nature, either in the form of a plant or as a compound of a plant. It is then extracted by different methods to obtain the substance and its benefits without altering the composition. This is the case with L-arginine, an amino acid that is vital for the proper functioning of the human body. These are the effects that stand out from this blend of natural and essential ingredients. More blood is directed to the penis. In this way, the veins are strengthened, expanded immediately, and more persistently. A better physical condition during intercourse and increased reproductive instinct. Faster, harder and wider erection. Continuous willingness to practice sexual intercourse. In addition, the level of testosterone increases, which highlights the masculine features. Semenax is clearly focused on the improvement of the overall performance, which is why indescribably great attention is put on Semenax in the first place, providing a strong, persistent, and also quite safe erection. Most important ingredients. 1. Maca. Maca is a plant native to Peru and the Andean mountains that is widely used by indigenous populations. It is also known as Peruvian ginseng since its effects are similar to those of ginseng. Maca is particularly interesting because it contains many nutrients, vitamins, minerals or amino acids. In fact, it is an excellent aphrodisiac supplement that heals impotence, erection problems and fertility in men. Its main function is to provide energy to the body, stimulating libido and increasing muscle power. 2. Zinc. We have already seen zinc in other male enhancement pills. Max Performer is a good example, so it is not surprising to see it appears in a supplement that promotes better sperm production. Zinc has the ability to increase testosterone levels. Let's not forget that zinc is also a vital nutrient for our bodies. It helps us to heal and also to maintain our immune system. 3. L-carnitine. This important amino acid helps our bodies produce energy and has been shown in clinical studies to be essential for maintaining male fertility. L-carnitine has been shown to not only give you energy for better endurance and performance in the bedroom, but it also helps you improve erection strength. 4. Vitamin E. The biggest advantage of vitamin E is that it is an antioxidant. This means that it protects our cells against the oxidation that damages them and that incidentally makes us age. 5. Fenugreek. Fenugreek contains an amino acid that acts on the level of sugar and cholesterol. With them, sugar level increases, which gives you more energy during the day and optimizes your meals. Fenugreek is a real nutrient and essential mineral. It is rich in iron, potassium, calcium, selenium, copper, zinc, manganese, and magnesium. And also in vitamins A, C and B6. In short, everything that is essential for the proper functioning of the body and the good production of sperm. 6. Blueberry extract. It contains ascorbic acid and antioxidants to aid in reproductive health and increase sexual appetite. Properties that make Semenax extremely remarkable. Most importantly, Semenax makes you increase semen and sperm both quantitatively and qualitatively. That legendary effect of the product was achieved precisely because the active natural ingredients work ideally together. Furthermore, with Semenax, you find out about your problem yourself and therefore you don't have to face the obstacle of explaining it to someone. How to use Semenax correctly. It is suggested to take 4 capsules a day, ideally with main meals. We recommend taking 2 capsules with lunch and another 2 with dinner. Do not exceed the recommended dosage, and as with any new food supplement, we suggest that you first check the ingredients for any personal allergies. This sperm pill must be taken for at least 2 months to reap the full benefits. Semenax reviews and opinions. Before buying a product, you should always inquire about the opinion of the users. In case of very numerous negative opinions, flee. In case of positive opinions, this assumes that the product works and has been tested in real conditions with real individuals. If we look at consumer opinions on the web, we find that all users are extremely satisfied with Semenax. And it makes sense. With a hard and perennial erection, pleasure in sexual intercourse is guaranteed. More and more people have started to rely on these pills for better performance during sexual activities. Its composition of natural substances changed the game and made it a unique and incomparable product. Conclusion: trying Semenax is clearly a good idea. Semenax is the most effective semen volume enhancer available today. This supplement has an all-natural formula that is known to increase sexual performance in men. It helps increase sexual confidence and the quantity and quality of sperm. It also helps to increase the libido and sexual appetite of the user, causing more and better erections. So what are you waiting for? Do you want to have more pleasant orgasms and better sex? Get Semenax. For more information, visit our site, The Male Libido, link in the description.